Names are in no particular order from best to worst or anything like that. This whole video and the narration is made by Alex Studios. Alex Studios is a proud member of the Vlogs and Blogs crew. Subscribe to Vlogs and Blogs crew today.
This video was made with help of Sam, Adam, and the rest.
Vlogs and Blogs presents The Crew. First up, it's Alex. Alex is the producer and the video editor of the team. Second, we have Sam, the awesome dude, just as awesome as Alex. Sam has the same job as Alex, and is basically like the co-producer and co-editor and such of Vlogs and Blogs. Adam Wang is basically the manager and thought of this whole awesome idea of this channel, the best dude in the world. There are also a lot of other people part of our team that this video will be 1 hour long if we were to show them all. So this video only includes the most important members of the team. Not saying that any other members are not important, because everyone in the team is just as awesome and has their own important role. So now you know some of the team members, or crew as we like to call ourselves, in the Vlogs and Blogs crew. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. See ya all next time.